While the line of control has been quiet of late, there have been very few incidents that have made it to the news, but our sources say things on the ground are definitely on the edge. Line of control, and especially on the other side, the traditional launch pads, which saw terror movement even before Operation Sindoor. There used to be presence of Lashkar-e-Jaish cadre, but post Operation Sindoor, most of these launch pads had been vacated. There was no one there, but the last 1.5 months there has been hectic activity. According to multi-agency input, close to 120 cadre of Jaish and Lashkar, heavily armed, are waiting for the first opportunity to sneak into Jammu and Kashmir, and that's what is keeping the army on the highest alert, be it the anti-infiltration obstacle system, the surveillance devices, foot patrolling. Everything has been put on the highest alert to ensure that those designs are negated. On the other hand, there are also inputs that Pakistani army activity has also increased. Several columns have come in to bolster the defense lines. It's not just about infantry, but mechanized and even heavy artillery has been brought in. So the Indian army is also keeping a watch on that, because there are several factors that ensure what strategy really Pakistan adopts on the line of control. One, they are already busy on the Afghan front, where there have been skirmishes, there has been a lot of activity on the border, there have been people, army jawans who have been killed, and now though there is an ceasefire agreement, but how long will it hold? Only time will tell. On the other hand, there is internal strife and turmoil as well. So the diversionary aspect, where previously also to divert attention, there have been incidents that have been orchestrated on the LOC or some major terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir. So there is an alert on that front as well. And if army top sources are to be believed, the army is ready. And in case there is any activity or any aggression or any misadventure, Operation Sindoor 2.0 could be a reality. So while things seem quiet on the face of it, but on the ground, a lot of activity on the line of control, a lot of tension and a lot of heightened activity as far as the terror launch pads and Pakistani army movement is concerned. And that obviously is keeping the Indian army also on the highest alert. And while Diwali being celebrated on one side, the Jawans celebrating Diwali on the forward post, but then there are also Jawans who are doing their duty non-stop, while others celebrate a safe Diwali. They are on the borders and doing non-stop patrolling, keeping a watch, considering these changed situational dynamics as far as POK, terror launch pads and Pak army activity is concerned.
नहीं, यही मैं आपको बतला रहा था कि हमारी पूरी तैयारी जारी है और हम पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं। और जो चीज़ें हम पिछले ऑपरेशंस में जब हमने एक तरीके से जब सीज फायर हुआ था, युद्ध विराम हुआ था, तो अभी आप ये मान के चलिए हम उसके आगे की कार्रवाई करेंगे, यानी कि अभी और कुछ हम आगे बढ़ के करेंगे, जो पिछली बार हुआ था उससे भी ज्यादा होगा।
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 2 कैन बी मोर डेडलियर।
यस, यू आर वेरी राइट, इट हैज टू बी मोर डेडलियर, देयर इज नो डाउट इन दैट। सी, मैं तो ये मानता हूं कि जो पाकिस्तान का सोचने का तरीका है उसमें जब तक बदलाव नहीं आएगा तब तक इस तरह की जो वो कार्रवाई करता है वो करता रह सकता है, क्योंकि उसके पास अभी हमसे युद्ध लड़ने की क्षमता नहीं है। वो लड़ाई नहीं लड़ना चाहता है। उसका तो जैसे उसने पॉलिसी बनाई है अपनी कि ब्लीड इंडिया थ्रू 1000 कट्स, छोटे छोटे कहीं ना कहीं वो इस तरह की कार्रवाई करता रहेगा। तो मेरा ये मानना है कि भले ही हमने सिंदूर में उसको बहुत बड़ी शिकस्त दी है, वी हैव डिफीटेड हिम इन सिंदूर, लाइक यू सेड, वी हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड हिज पोस्ट, डिस्ट्रॉयड हिज एयर बेसिस, बट ही मे अगेन अटेम्प्ट समथिंग। So we have to remain prepared. So that's why हमारी जो तैयारी है उसमें कोई कमी नहीं है। और हमारा ये मानना है कि इस बार जो भी हम एक्शन लेंगे।
कैंप पर्सन तारिक लोन, मीर फरीद, श्रीनगर फॉर इंडिया टुडे।